welcome to the channel again. So down here at Pilgrim Haven Natural Area, one of the best hidden gems in Michigan for rock collecting. As you can see, a couple of people walking behind me here to go collect some stones. It's a beautiful park, it's a beautiful day, and I'm gonna walk up just over this hill here is the beach. A little bit south is South Haven, and I'm gonna go look for some rocks. I love this little creek right here, but we're really close to Lake Michigan. You can kind of see right here if I zoom in. You can see some people out here collecting stones and just enjoying the day. So the number one thing to find here is probably a lightning stone, and sometimes you can find Petoskey stones here. It's just a lot of everything here from Michigan. It seems to be a glacial dump of some kind, and it's just really full of these large stones here. I can show you. It's just common to see this type of rock everywhere here, and so just a great place to, take the family for the day, hang out, look for rocks. So a lot of times I find the lightning stones where people can't really get to, so I'll dig around in here. Kind of scoop away some of the sand. And that way I can see what I'm looking at here. Oh yeah, right here. Perfect. It's a small one. There's a lightning stone right there. Just perfect. So it's Sunday afternoon here, and you can kind of see there's just people out enjoying this park. It's really quite a hidden gem here in South Haven. And if I zoom in real quick here, I can show you that's the South Haven Lighthouse way out there. So just gives you an idea of where we're at. But yeah, the beach is literally full of stones like this, and you just never know what you can find here, so it's fun. So I'm gonna go walk down the creek this way. I think I have a better chance at finding a big lightning stone down there. Maybe I'll have to dig into the bank a little bit, but that's where I'm gonna go and check it out. There's a fairly good chance of seeing a lightning stone in the water here. I remember coming here years ago, and there was no park here, and you literally, it was just to ourselves. I mean, there was nobody here, and now they've made a big park out of it. But I remember coming up this creek, and it was just so full of lightning stones, the whole way. So it has to still be here, just covered in sand. It's been picked over a little bit, but I know they're here. at that. Wow. You can see it right in the water already. It's Petoskey stone. That is terrific. Look at that. It's awesome. So your eyes can get kind of lost looking through all these stones, and you kind of just glaze over them, but you have to really look at each individual one and just slow down and take your time. Like right here, this one's got some red in it. I wonder. Oh, it's nothing. Had a good time out here. It was a lot of fun just looking through the rocks, walking the beach. You can tell behind me, it's just rock hunting in Michigan is alive and well. It's just so much interest in it, and a lot of people out enjoying the day just like me, so it's pretty cool to see that. But anyway, I'm gonna start packing up and head out of here. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Love to have you part of the channel. Until next time, be well.